Hello, today we wanted to show you how to set up a URL as the homepage on your Chrome account. Now, this is what you're looking at is a brain or a central hub or a dashboard or a business central hub where you can create this in a spreadsheet and have all the links to everything in your business. So for example, website things, Etsy, your blog, email marketing, social media, Pinterest, and so on. So anything related to your business, or you can create something like this for your personal life, and you can have it all in one location so that you don't waste time looking for everything. Now, to set this up that it is your home on Chrome, you can simply go up to the top right corner to the settings here, and we're going to go to the further settings at the bottom. And then on our left-hand side, we can click on Startup. And right now I have it set to a different page, so I'm going to replace this. So I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet and grab this link. I'm going to edit this one here, paste it in, and click Save. Now, the setting that we had changed here is going to open up the hub whenever we open Chrome as a fresh new. So this setting here that we had done will have this URL show up if we close out Chrome completely and then open it back up again. I'm not going to do that now because it will shut off my video recording, but if I close all the Chrome tabs and reopened it, it is going to open up as this URL. Now, the next thing you want to do is if you want to format this home button to open up as your brain or your hub or any other URL, you're going to go to Appearance here in your settings, and you're going to toggle on the home button here, and you're going to select this option where you can insert the URL. So I'm going to take this one out and put in this URL. Now that we have the URL entered here and this option selected, I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to click Home, and there we have it. It is saved as this button here whenever we want to refer to it. So let's try that again, and it opens it up.